If you work in distribution, this will probably sound familiar. An important customer places an order, it shows up as a PDF or an email. Someone opens it and type everything into the ERP. Later someone else double checks the pricing. Another person checks on the shipment details. Then finance creates the invoice and sends it out. Technically, nothing here is wrong. But here's the thing. Each one of those steps depends on person having a good focused day. No distraction, no missed emails, no typos. And that is a lot to ask on a typical work day. Nothing to mention how repetitive tasks blur the difference between each day. Meanwhile, the expectations have gone up. Customer wants immediate confirmation. Retailer wants data that fits neatly into their system. Operation teams are tired of addressing the same issues over and over. Manual processes don't hold up to this level of pressure. So, what happens? Order that should move in few hours ends up taking up days. A small typing mistake turns into 3 phone calls, 5 emails, and potentially disgruntled customers. And teams stay busy all day. And yet, the backlog never disappears. If any of this sounds familiar, you are not alone. Thankfully though, this is where electronic data interchange or EDI comes in. The idea of EDI is pretty simple. EDI gives businesses a standard way to exchange orders, invoices, and shipment details directly between the systems. And automating this ensures that systems move important B2B transaction information between systems instead of team having to manually key them in. So, when one system sends data, the another system is automatically updated. No need of sending emails, PDFs, or retyping. And certainly no guessing which version of the order is the latest one. These are standard code used across the industry. So every trading partner knows exactly what document contain and how to process them. And 850 sends an purchase order, 855 confirms the order, 856 shares the shipment details before it arrives, 810 sends the invoice. These documents, they move electronically and automatically between the systems. What used to take 2 or 3 days of manual work now can happen the same day. First, it saves money. Less manual work means fewer hours spent on data entry and cleanup. Second, it speeds things up. Order move faster, invoices go out sooner, and cash comes in earlier. The ideal scenario for most businesses. Third, it cut down errors. A large number of errors can be traced to manually keying in data. When systems talk to each other directly, those mistakes disappear. And then there is a retailer side of things. Big retailers like Walmart, Costco, Home Depot expect EDI. And if you don't have it, you deal with delays, chargebacks, or awkward conversation that no one really enjoys having. And forward-thinking businesses are making EDI smarter via integration. By ensuring EDI data is synced automatically with the ERP, businesses can continue to use the ERP as single source of truth. Today, efficiently managing EDI is really about staying competitive. If your competitors are using EDI and you are not, they are shipping faster, fixing fewer issues, and spending less time chasing down the problem. EDI is not about adding fancy technology or making things complicated. It is about removing friction, less back and forth, less cleanup, less stress on your team. In simple terms, it keeps your business run smoother without people having to work harder or stay late. And that's why EDI matters. And That's why most modern distribution businesses rely on it today. And by selecting an end-to-end EDI solution like DCCAP, you can ensure better business processes and smoother trading partnership. To know more, head over to www.dccap.com or check out the links in the description below.